Hi guys! My name is Laura and I'm an artist who likes to do coloring, painting, and drawing tutorials. Today I just wanted to share a small little craft project with you that I did in collaboration with my wonderful man Mark. And so you can see here on the bottom of the project, I don't know if you can see this, but I signed both of our initials. So I hope that you enjoyed this weird little project. I thought it would be fun to share. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Because you know, I like to do weird stuff. So yeah. Anyway, today you'll see that I had this crazy idea to create a little wooden box that would house one of my favorite pencil sharpeners that doesn't come with any kind of catch system. So I asked my boyfriend Mark to Dremel out a little hole, and here is the rest of my process. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this and it wasn't a waste of your time, then give a like. That helps me out so much. And if you did like it, then give a dislike, because, you know, that's cool too. And if you're not subscribed already, you want to go ahead and subscribe. Just hit that little subscribe button somewhere, you know, somewhere around here. And then that little bell notification button will let you know every time I've gone live. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful, magical time painting. Bye. Okay, start over. I'm weird. I'm weird. I'm weird. I'm weird. um, the